Hello everyone, today I will introduce to you software to scan groups by keywords and software to automatically post to groups. First, the software scans for groups by keyword. You just need to enter the keyword you want to scan and the number of groups. This is the result of the software returning the following information: UID group name, group type public or private, it a number of members of that group. Then you export the scanned file to Excel. And next is MKT Care software that helps you nurture and manage an unlimited number of Facebook accounts to post to groups. You select the group posting feature, then select the content you want to post. Next you select the UID list that you have scanned from the MKT UID software. After pasting the UID list into the software, you just need to click on the Start button, and the software will automatically post for you to thousands of automatic groups. The software is opening 18 Facebook accounts at the same time to post to groups to help you save time and costs of hiring marketing staff to reach customers. If you are interested, please message me via Telegram.